Hi everyone! Yeah, I'm gonna show them how I make it. I wanna do it. So guys, I have that portion and then this sagu that I just made. Then a lot of this sagu with that. And by the way, welcome to Broad Family Channel. We're just making a tahu. This is really good and healthy, guys. Taho kayo dyan. How is it, Kat? Shalyn? Then, go there?
This is more refreshing than sweet, honestly. This is for you, by the way.
Yeah. Not too much of sagwa. It's okay, just
You don't
put
like
it
that
on.
much? Insane.
Yeah, not this time. Maybe
Crazy.
later. Oh, here. Then this. Scoop, please.
Okay, I don't think I can get that much.
Ooh.
So it goes through the crevices of the tofu.
Ooh. Taho is real, guys.
Who said it wasn't, though?
It's not in here in Canada. That's enough. That is enough. Da-da-hoo-bow. Taho kayo dyan. Taho kayo dyan. Taho kayo dyan. Woo. Namiss ko to, guys. Namiss kong kumain itong taho.
I'm gonna get going now.
Ito ang tahong tagal. It's real taho. Yung carnival niya, hindi ko masyadong ginawang sweet. So more on not
Don't get too much tofu, actually.
why? You love the tofu?
You taste more tofu than anything else. I'm just gonna get a little bit more, but don't ask. Why is it so dirty?
Was making another one. Hi, Dashi. Taho, guys. Taho. Taho kayo dyan. Taho. Taho kayo dyan. Ang sarap niya, guys. Ganito lang pala yun. Diyos ko, tagal-tagal ko nang hinahanap to rito. Makakagawa rin pala ako. Taho. Yun lang, guys. Nagpiplex lang pa paano gumawa ng taho. Yung aking aso. Makulit. Gusto rin ng taho. Mahuhay, guys.